And today we're going to do an elephant blanket. And what you need is Red Heart Baby Hugs Light, 3 balls, pinky, and then 1 ball of ink. But I'm going to show you what I have today for substitution. And I have my pink, perfect pink. My 1 ball is a super saver. Need some stuffing and some buttons. I couldn't find any gray ones, so I just got some white ones. You're going to need that for the elephant's head, and also for the blanket you're going to need the buttons. Okay? So let's begin. Instead of dolphin, I got gray heather for my elephant. And you also will need a K hook for the blanket, an F hook for the face and the head of the elephant, and then I have my stitch marker and I have my darning needle. Okay? So today we're going to do the blanket, and with the large, now do whatever kind of slips knot you know how to do, and we're going to chain 126 chains. Okay, oh, so we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 26. We'll come back and we'll start doing the blanket. Crochet. Two double crochets in the same hook. You're going to skip 2 again. Skip 2 chains again. 1, 2, right here. We're going to single crochet. The next chain, in the same single crochet, and then we're going to double crochet in the same, 2 double crochets in the same chain. This is an easy pattern right here for beginner. 1, 2, 3 right here. 1, 2, 3 right here. And we're going to go single crochet in the same chain, single crochet, and then double crochet. And we'll do this all the way to the end of the row, for row 1. And I'll be back with you when we get towards the end. We're coming up towards our end of our row. We're still going to skip 2 and then single crochet, single crochet into the 3rd chain, then 2 double crochets in the same chain. And then 1, 2, 3. Same thing. Too much oomph there, too much oomph. Okay, here you go. So you want double crochet, another double crochet, and then at the end of it, the last row, the last chain, 1, 2, 3, we crochet. Last chain in the hook. Then we're going to chain 1, 2. We're going to turn it around. And this is how your chain should look. Just like this. Much better. So like something like this. That's all. Okay? So now we're going to turn our work around, which I just did. And we're going to do 2 double crochets into this stitch right here. First stitch that you come up to. We're going to do 2 double crochets. And this row right here, row 2, is what you're going to repeat all the way till you get to 60 rows. So I'm going to show you how to do this a couple times, and after that we can go on our way. So you're going to skip 2, 1, 2, and in the single crochet you're going to single crochet, and you're going to put 2 double crochets. This is an easy project. You'll be done in no time with this. This builds up really fast. You don't have to worry about that. Okay, and then you go 1, 2, you skip those 2, and you put it in a single crochet. Single crochet, single crochet it first, and then 2 double crochets, the same thing you did in the first row. I'm trying to see if you guys see it real well. My first tutorial, so hope I'm letting you see this right. So you go 1, 2, and in the single crochet right here, you're going to put a single crochet and 2 double crochets. So keep doing this until you get to the end. Then I'll show you again how to do the end. And I'll do this one more time for y'all. Repeating row right here. Row number 2 is your repeating row all the way till you get to row 60. Okay? So skip 2. Sorry, row 2. Skip 2. Now I'll see you back when we get to the end of row 2. A note, I made a mistake on my previous row. I put 1 single crochet and 1 double crochet. So what I did was, instead of taking it all out and doing it all over again, I just went into my single crochet and I did my single crochet, 2 double crochets. Okay, so just be aware to always put 1 single crochet and 2 double crochets in the same stitch. So again, skip 2, always put it in the 3rd stitch, which is a single crochet stitch. Single crochet, 2 double crochets. Just be aware, you know, if you make a mistake, it's not a big deal. It's not, nobody's gonna notice it. And 1 double crochet, and I just put it in my my single crochet and 2 double crochets in the single crochet stitch, and that's all out. So that's something. Try to fix it somewhere that's not obvious and keep it moving. 2 stitches to me. We're going to add our single and double, 2 double crochets, the same stitch. If you hear that noise, that's my guinea pigs making noises. They're happy right now, so they got food and water, so they're very happy. That's what you're hearing in the background, my guinea pigs making their popcorn noise. They're happy. Alright, so we're coming up towards the end of my row. Still doing this skip 2 single crochet. Okay, and remember, you're always going to end with a single crochet, and you're always going to chain 2, and that'll be your beginning. 1, 2, we're going to go right here, and I'm going to put my single crochet. Then I'm going to chain 2, 1, 2. Like I said, we're repeating the 2nd row. So this is really easy. And we're going to 2 double crochets in the 1st stitch, which is this stitch right here. We're going to double crochet right there. 2 double crochets. And this is the last one I'll be showing you. Then I'm going to let you go and do it yourselves. I think you should be very confident in yourselves now. So skip 2 again. You're going to put in a single crochet. We're going to do 2 double crochets again in the same stitch. So basically we're just doing an easy stitch that you can remember in watching TV and doing this stitch. Stitch right here so we get to 60 rows. Okay, so do this to the end, and then I'll come back and I'll show you how to do it one more time, and then you're on your own. We are coming up again at the end of our row. And I think you know what to do. So let's see if you test your skills. How many stitches are you going to skip? That's right, 1, 2. Then you're going to go to your single crochet, and what are you going to put in it? A single crochet and 2 double crochet. Good job. Good job. We're going to do it again. We're going to skip our 1, 2. In the 3rd stitch, we're going to single crochet and double crochet. I think you got the hang of it. Alright, now in the last stitch, what are you going to add? In your last stitch, after you skip your 2 stitches, what are you going to do? Yep, you're going to add your single crochet into the last stitch. 1, 2, right here. And then what you're going to do, you're going to chain 2, that's right. 1, 2, and turn around. And then in your first stitch, when you come up to, what are you going to do? You're going to add your 2 double crochets. Good job. Now you got the hang of it. I will see you at row 60. Now that we're on our last row, row 60, I'm going to do the same thing I did with the rest of them. I'm going to double crochet 2 in this first stitch, and skip 2, 1, 2, go into this stitch, do a single crochet, 2 double crochets, single crochet, skip 2, single crochet, double crochet, and then we're going to do skip 2 again, single crochet, double crochet, single crochet, double crochet into the single crochet stitch. Border for the blanket, and the border for the blanket is only 1 single crochet around the whole blanket. So we have a note here that tells us what to do. So it says to work border evenly around blanket, work 1 single crochet in the side of each row beginning with a single crochet, 2 down the double crochet side, 3 in the corner, 1 on the top row, and then down here we're going to add 3, then 1 single crochet down this row all the way to the end. We're going to do 3, and then all the way to the bottom will be 1. So I'm going to show you. So chain 1, and we're going to add 3 to the corner. 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. Then we're going to do 1 down here. Some more yarn, pull some more yarn out. Then we're going to go down the row and just put 1 single crochet down this row, all the way down to the end. That's simple, right? That's simple. Just find the space, make sure it's even. Just go down this row, 1 single crochet. We'll go all the way down. So now we're on the corner stitch. Our corners, we're going to do 3 single crochets in this stitch. Now we're going to do 1 single crochet in each of the stitches in the foundation row. So keep going all the way show you. Okay, and you should get a hang of it. So just make sure you put one, then two. Two go into this two chain in the chain 2 space. One go into that one little tight space. One you get to the chain 2 space. Now we're gonna slip stitch to the chain 1 stitch. Just pull through, and pull through again, and then we're gonna make a chain 1, and we're gonna cut it off, and we're gonna yarn it in. We're gonna weave it in. Needle. Try to get it all, make sure it's all in there. There we go. And then we're gonna weave it in. The way that I do it is go through here. We're gonna do all of the stitches. And I'll come back around again. Stitches. Sew it into the stitches. Okay. Now keep one more time. Back in there to make sure that it really is secure so it won't come out. One more time on this side. There we go. Good job. And it just spread like that. And then cut that off. And you use this as scraps for stuffing. And then we're going to come right here to the end where I have my last one. And I'm going to sew this one in also. Okay. And now we're going to weave this one in also. So you can see this. Careful. Then come back over again and do the same thing like we did with the first one. That's where this comes in. My pliers. It's hard to get it in. And then we just cut this off right here. And that's it. You have a nice blanket.